Chef Buck here, and today I'm going to cook me up a savory pancake. This is going to be a green onion pancake. You know, I'm just using a little bit of flour. In this case, I'm using some rice flour, but you can use all-purpose flour. The star of the dish is some green onions, just one bunch of green onions, and these are super duper thin. You can take a thicker one like this here and just slice it. Boom, and just cut it in half. But you want to take all of your green onion and you want to cut it into about 1 inch sizes. You know, just adding a little bit of red bell pepper to this dish will visually make it a lot more interesting. Just a little bit for color. I'm going to throw in some jalapeno too. You don't want to sit down and have a pancake and fall asleep. You know, you want something to kick you in the pants. So a little bit of jalapeno will do that. So we got our half a cup of flour. And to that we're going to add half a cup of cold water. Go ahead and get it nice and mixed up. And you want the batter to be thin, because this isn't going to be a fluffy pancake. Now we'll just throw our green onions in there. Now a little bit of red bell pepper. And our japalinos, if you so desire. Get it all mixed up with that batter. And look at that, man. It's mostly green onion. There's not a whole lot of batter in there. But I'm not trying to make an overly floury pancake. I'm making green onion the star of this dish. Put your stove top on medium-high heat and get your skillet on there. Then we're going to put a little bit of oil in, whatever kind of oil you want. Once your oil is nice and hot, we'll go ahead and spoon our green onion and batter out on here. And now we're going to go ahead and form it into a pancake. But this is definitely going to be more green oniony than pancakey. I'm going to add a little bit of salt and pepper on here. I hope I got enough batter to hold this thing together. So we're going to let this cook for a few minutes. Now I got my beaten egg here. I'm going to go ahead and add this on here. And I'm going to be sure to put it all around to help hold my green onions together. Alright, I'm going to check the bottom of this and see how it's doing. So I'm going to let it keep going for another minute. Alrighty. I'm going to go ahead and try to give this a flip and hopefully it won't fall apart. Oh, look at that. Sort of semi-made it. That's what happens when you have too much green onion. We lost this little part right here, but we'll just go ahead. We'll do some reconstructive surgery. Put that on there and smash it down, and that'll be. We'll just pretend that didn't happen. Look at that, boy. It's looking pretty good, but it won't take as long to cook on the second side. I think that's good enough. So I'm going to call it there. A little green onion Pajeon. Now the sauce for this pancake is super simple. We're just going to use 1 part rice vinegar to 1 part soy sauce. So, you know, half and half. You know, if you want a little bit of kick, you know, add you some chili sauce in there. But this is all there is to it, you know. Boom, boom, boom. A green onion Pajeon. Put a little bit of this dipping sauce on here. Big thumbs up, man. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and you will never miss a lame video.